Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add languages on your Tinder app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just click here. So you click here, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile, and you just go down here. So you just keep going and you click here on add languages here, and it's going to show for you window like this, and here you can add all languages you want to add on your Tinder app. So there is a lot of languages can you add. Just click and it's going to add with you like French like that, and like you say now it's add with you Germany. So there is a lot of language can you add. I wish know you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.